If you look at the temperatures outside on this Monday morning, pretty uniform, a lot of mid to upper 70s as normal. St. Pete's the warm spot at about 82 degrees. But something you're really going to notice over the next few days, and poor Jen is already upset with me because she wants to ride her bike, but it's going to be too windy. When it's too windy, Jen, you know what you do?
I do.
You just work harder.
That's right.
Okay, anyway, now we got some winds coming in out of the east, 10 to 17 mile per hour winds, but we're just starting the day. Today, tomorrow, Wednesday, very windy days in general with that east wind moving across the state. So that'll pin back or hold back the sea breeze, allowing these temperatures to get back up into the mid 90s. The other thing that's happening is in the mid levels of the atmosphere, we're drying it out a little bit. So the rain chances drop 20% today, 30% tomorrow. Now, by the end of the week, it'll change. And then the rain chances start to really kick back in again Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So winds will be gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour today, tomorrow, and on Wednesday. Let's look at the tropics. There is just a ton of moisture. There's sort of a semi-permanent, if you will, counterclockwise flow down here in Central America. And what it does is it just pulls up and it just throws back to the west here, northwest, all deep tropical moisture. Some of this is developing, so there's a good solid 70% chance this could develop, but it's moving west-northwest. So southern Texas, mainland Mexico will likely be impacted by this, not us. On the other hand, you've got nothing over here. You say, Dave, there's nothing. Yes, but in the next 7 days, there is expected to be an area of low pressure forming, and that could work its way toward the northern part of our state, or maybe up into Georgia and South Carolina. Watch this, kind of throw it all into motion for you. We're going to kind of pause it early tomorrow morning. You can start to see this area of low pressure developing here in the Gulf, but again, it's all being pushed toward the west and the northwest. So this is going to be a lot of rain for southeastern Texas, mainland Mexico, but that's going to move onshore. Meanwhile, we'll be watching off to the east of our state for the potential for development as well. We knew this was going to happen, right? You're kind of sitting here with these real warm water temperatures. You're getting into late June in the tropics. Best way to describe it's starting to bubble a little bit. How does that sound? Nothing out there right now that's imminent to cause any serious problems except for some of that rain going into southeastern Texas and Mexico. Hot, windy, humid today on this Monday, your high of 94, but a rain chance of only 20%. Breezy, mild tonight with a low of 76. In your next 7 days, you're going to see that the rain chances slowly tick up 40% by Wednesday, then 60% by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.